Hey everybody, I hope that you all are having an amazing day so far. Today is Friday the 13th and I am out in the garden and I want to show you guys what it is looking like so far. So let me just take you on this quick little tour of how everything is looking. Although we've had a fake spring, we also have now gotten a little bit of winter chill back, and so I wanted to show you guys what's going on. So today I wanted to show you guys all these onion sets. So 1, 2, and 3, these are all Haas onions. So what happened was Haas sent me some onions, or I ordered some onions from Haas, and when I got them, they were looking really raggedy and horrible, and so I called them. They were very sweet and they refunded me my money, and I told them don't worry about sending me any more. Well, guess what? They were like, nope, we're gonna make it right. And so they sent me some ruby red, some Walla Walla, and I also have some sterling white onions. So I'm excited to put all of these onions in the garden. But I did purchase some more onions from a different company. I will put it on the screen because I don't remember the name of the company. And this is what I had left over. And I put them in this bucket as well, so that I will have some onions to... I put them in this bucket so that I could put these onions in between my other stuff. And so that's what I'm going to do with most of these. I'm going to actually be planting. I promise y'all I'm planting all my onions this year, okay? So now we're coming down to some potatoes. The potatoes, we had a cold front, so unfortunately this is what they're looking like. But as you can see, they're still looking good. This frost is okay. It won't stunt anything. You see that these leaves are looking good, so it should be fine. I just planted some more I don't know what that is, y'all. I can't even remember, and I should have put something there. Echinacea. I planted some echinacea there. And then we have all my peppers here that are looking really good. Now, mind you, all this stuff is going back in the house this evening. I do have some lavender seeds here. I have some parsley, oregano. I just replanted some more oregano. This is, I just can't even think of the name of it right now, but I'll let you know. Basil. We got some thyme. I had to plant some more thyme here. This is lemon balm. I had to plant more lemon balm here because nothing grew. Then we have some sage. Now, I'm not too worried about my sage because I do have sage in my garden already. Mini bell peppers, mini tomatoes. All these will be going. Snapdragons, and we got some marigolds. And these mini bell peppers and tomatoes will be going in my green stalk. Then we have my tomatoes back here that will be going inside the main garden. I got some dill. This is some more dill, some bee balm. And then we have our, this is just some more corn that I had to restart. More tomatoes. And then we have some melons here. And then we have more melons. What is this? Corn and more tomatoes. So this part of this is just my starts, and I set them out here because it was nice and warm today. I am going to end up putting them in the house because there is a bit of a chill out in the air, and I don't want them to I don't want any issues with them. My poor lemon tree. We're just gonna cut this back and start her over because yeah, we're just gonna cut her back. In my green stock, I went and planted some what is this? Mustard greens, I believe. Yeah, Savannah mustard greens, and I planted these on March 7th. And as you guys can see, mustard greens they only take like 20 days, and they are popping up really good, and they are cold tolerant. This is lettuce, and this lettuce this is Paris Island that I put in here. I actually put more seeds in here, so it's starting to pop up. And then I have another bough of lettuce here. This is the Jericho lettuce. It has not popped up, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. We have some strawberries here. They're looking pretty good. As you can see, the leaves are starting to come back, and I had already went on ahead and fertilized this, so they are looking really good as far as the foliage. So I'm really happy with those. I did pull out a lot of the dead leaves, so we'll see what happens here. And then we have some carrots that are starting to pop up that I'm hoping to have for spring. Here are my onions that I planted the other day with you all, and they are looking really well. They say if you pull on it, tug on it a little bit to see what it, and I think it's fine. As you can see, we have some really good foliage here starting to pop up. So I think it took very well to the soil with no issues. And then we have my fruit trees. You see some budding here, and this is my blueberry lemon tree, lemon bush, and it is starting to bud. And then we have my cherry bush over here, and it is looking amazing. Other than that, the beds are still well taken care of. Now, this is what I was afraid of, and I want to show y'all something. My collard greens, they are done. They've given me all they're going to give me. They have actually gone ahead and these collard greens have sprouted. So they have flowered. So I'm going to try to I'm going to wait, and then I'll get the seeds off of those. But my collard greens are done. And so, but I'm happy with what happened with my collard greens throughout the fall and winter season. Now, this is my sage plant that I was telling you guys I already have in the garden, so that's why I'm not worried about any sage. I have plenty of sage. Okay, my what is this? This is my garlic. It is looking amazing. This bed is ready. I do have my potatoes that have budded over here, so they are looking really good, and so I'm happy about that. And then we have some peas that I planted, you guys, over here. And then we have this green stalk that still has some garlic in it as well. And I probably will actually plant out this green stalk with some of my onions, and most likely down at the bottom I'm going to be putting some pepper plants or something like that. But yeah, this top of the green stalk is going to probably be all onions. Of course, we have our green stalk over here. So this green stalk over here is just garlic only, and don't worry about this. When it gets cold, they tend to just flop a little bit, but they'll be fine. As you can see, it's got plenty of good layers, good foliage. So I'm not too worried about this green stalk. These will be just fine. And my plan, as you can see, I actually put more onions in here, and they are looking really good. And so I'm not worried about anything when it comes down to this green stalk. I think that I actually like the fact of planting garlic in green stalks as well as onions. And then lastly, over here we have more peas that are continuing to grow, and they're now starting to take form around the sticks I have in here, because peas actually trellis. So I'm happy about that. So that is my garden tour. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next video.